In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WhatsApp number in Meta Business Suite. Before we dive in, here's the key idea. Meta treats your WhatsApp number as a connected integration. That means to switch to a new number, you'll typically remove the old one first and then add the new one afterward. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on removing the current number inside Meta Business Suite so it's freed up to replace. Start by opening a desktop browser and going to business.facebook.com. Log in with your business account that actually owns the WhatsApp integration. If you manage multiple businesses, make sure you're in the correct business manager in the top menu before moving on. Deleting in the wrong business won't affect the number you want to change. Next, head to Business Settings. Look for the gear icon in the lower corner of the left sidebar. Click it and then select Business Settings to open the full settings area. This is where all your connected assets, permissions, and integrations live. In the Business Settings menu on the left, find the Accounts section. Expand it and choose WhatsApp Accounts. Depending on your layout, you might see it labeled WhatsApp Manager. Both take you to the same place where your WhatsApp connections are listed. Now, locate the WhatsApp account that shows the phone number you want to change. You should see an option to delete, usually represented by a trash icon next to that entry. Click Delete and confirm the deletion. This action removes the integration from your business manager, essentially disconnecting that number from Meta Business Suite so you can reuse it or replace it with a new one. You are not deleting your actual phone line here, but you are removing its link to this business manager setup. If your team relies on WhatsApp data, it's always wise to ensure you have needed backups and that owners understand this disconnection. Important note, if the old number is still tied to an active WhatsApp business app on a phone, Meta may block the deletion in Business Suite. In that case, open the WhatsApp business app on the device and remove or change the number there first so it's no longer attached. Once it's released at the app level, come back to Business Suite and complete the deletion. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. You'll need sufficient admin permissions to delete a WhatsApp account. If you don't see the trash icon, check your role or switch to the correct business. After the old number is removed, you're clear to proceed with adding the new number in the same WhatsApp accounts area whenever you're ready.